Hello students, now we will go for exercise 8.2, that is the first question. Read the question, listen carefully everyone. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which P, Q, R and S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA. P, Q, R, S are the midpoints of AB, BC, CD and DA. Then AC is the diagonal that is given. AC is the diagonal. Then show that SR is parallel to AC and SR is equal to half of AC. Clear? Next one, PQ is equal to SR, that is second one, and last one PQRS is a parallelogram. Total 3 are there. Okay. Now we have to prove that. Clear? Now first one, we'll go for the first one. What is SR parallel to AC and SR is equal to half of AC? Yes, I am observing in triangle ABC. Just observe here, in triangle ABC, here P and Q are the midpoints of AB and BC. P and Q. This P and Q are the midpoints of, just I am writing short way, MPs of AB and BC. Clear children? And according to midpoint theorem, P and Q are the midpoints of a triangle ABC. Then you can write directly, that is what we have to write here, PQ parallel to AC, directly from midpoint theorem it is. PQ is parallel to AC, then PQ is equal to half of AC, that is from midpoint theorem. PQ is equal to half of AC. What is the theorem here? From midpoint theorem. When this P and Q are midpoints, it is possible. From midpoint theorem, PQ parallel to AC and as well as PQ is equal to half of AC. Okay, this is number 1. Now observe this upper part, triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, this one ADC. What is here? S and R. S and R midpoints of S and R. Okay, S are midpoints of what is AD and DC. S and R midpoints of AD and DC. This one AD and DC. Clear children? Now again same way, like here, what is here? SR is parallel to AC. SR is parallel to AC. Then SR is equal to half of AC. SR is equal to half of AC. Here again what is? From midpoint theorem again. From MP theorem. Clear children? This is number 2. Clear? Now first one completed. SR parallel to AC and SR is equal to half of AC. What is the second one is given? PQ is equal to SR. We have to prove PQ is equal to SR. PQ is equal to SR. Now observe from 1 and 2, from equation 1 and equation 2. What is equation 1 is given? PQ parallel to AC and PQ is equal to half of AC. Here PQ is equal to half of AC. Then here second one, SR is parallel to AC. SR is equal to half of AC. Observe in this first one half of AC and here also half of AC. Both half of AC, half of AC. Then from 1 and 2, how to write directly? PQ is equal to SR. PQ is equal to SR, then as well as PQ is parallel to SR. Because both are parallel to AC, PQ parallel to AC, SR parallel to AC. Then obviously PQ is parallel to SR. Then PQ is equal to half of AC, SR is equal to half of AC. RHS equal, then automatically LHS also equal. That means PQ is equal to SR, then PQ parallel to SR. Now observe third one, PQRS is a parallelogram. Now observe this one, PQRS is a parallelogram. Now suppose if you take as it's a quadrilateral, PQRS is a quadrilateral, then what is here? Observe what we proved. PQ is equal to SR and PQ parallel to SR. That we proved. In a quadrilateral, PQRS, one pair of, see here, pair of sides are equal and parallel. Pair of sides are equal and parallel. Then in a quadrilateral PQRS, pair, what is that? PQ is equal to SR and PQ is parallel to SR. Just now we proved. From that what we have to write? It is a parallelogram. The third one finally we have to just prove. How to prove? Using this one. PQ is equal to SR and PQ parallel to SR. Finally PQRS is a parallelogram. Clear children? Here one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel. Then it is a parallelogram. Clear?